If you have traveled through Colombia and Venezuela, this video is for you. And if you haven't, this video is also for you. Learn how to cook arepas con queso step by step.
Hola Kike! Today we are going to make arepas de queso colombianas.
The arepa is a grilled cornmeal cake served in Latin American cuisine. This delicious yet simple dish is associated with the national cuisines of Colombia and Venezuela. Did you know that it received its name from the indigenous word for corn, arepa, used by the Caribs? We should not forget that the use of corn is key in understanding the identity and gastronomy of the Americas.
For this recipe, it is best if you can use masa arepa or cooked corn flour. You can usually find the flour in white and yellow corn, and the pan brand is the best. It can be found at many mercados around the world. If you cannot find this, you can use finely ground grits or polenta. We are going to use the white corn flour for our recipe today.
Shh! Can you hear that? What if I told you that this music has specifically been composed for this video? Pretty cool, eh? Check this out. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do arepas con queso. No, I'm not gonna do it myself. I'm going to have an expert help us through the recipe. Once in a while, we will have Alex, our mystery chef, show us some simple recipes from around the world. The Explorer's Cookbook. My name is Kike Calvo, photographer and entrepreneur. In this video, you will learn step by step how to prepare arepas colombianas con queso. You will no longer have the excuse to say, I don't know how to make arepas. All the recipes by our mystery chef will be so simple to cook that even the most inspired chefs in every household will be able to excel. So let's explore the world of arepas con queso. To prepare 4 arepas, you will need the following.
To start, we are going to add warm water, then slowly add the masa arepa and combine with your hand as you pour to get any lumps out. You want to gently combine and knead as you go so that the dough does not get overworked. If you knead the dough too much, it may become dry and crumbly and hard to form balls. Once all of your masa arepa is combined, add half of your butter and mix well into the dough. Mix until the butter is combined. Then add the shredded cheese. I like to use mozzarella because it gets melty but it isn't too wet. Now take the rest of your butter and set it aside. Add the salt and knead until everything is combined. I like to use parchment paper for this next step, but you can use plastic wrap or a Ziploc bag too. The parchment paper is nice because it's a smooth surface for stretching the dough and also can be reused. Now we are going to take our dough and split it into 4 pieces. Take one piece and start to form a tight ball by rolling and molding it between your palms. Once you have a nice smooth ball, place it on your surface and fold the paper or plastic over the top. Now comes the fun. We get to smoosh our balls into arepas. Grab a sauce pot, a lid, or a rolling pin, whatever you have on hand that you will be able to get a nice flat surface with. We are going to flatten the dough all the way around evenly until it's about 1/3 to 1/4 inch thick. Set aside your prepared arepa and continue to roll and shape the rest of your dough balls. Once you have the balls nice and flattened and round, it's time to cook. We are going to take half of the remaining butter and spread it across a very hot pan. Then, gently lay your arepas on the surface. Feel free to spin them around so they get a nice coating of the butter. We are going to cook the first side for 3 to 5 minutes depending on when they get a nice golden brown, crispy outside. Flip them and cook the other side for 2 to 3 minutes until it is also golden brown. Once they are ready, set them aside and top them with more shredded cheese if you would like to. I also like to keep the oven on very hot and put my prepared arepas on a sheet tray in the hot oven so that they stay warm and the cheese on top gets melty. Cook the rest of your arepas, but this time it may go a little bit faster as the pan is already hot. I like to spin them around as they cook and check the first side after 3 minutes just to make sure they don't burn. And now we eat! This simple, delicious recipe is a classic of Colombia and can be eaten so many ways. We like to layer slices of cheese and salsa picante between them, but you can also top them with eggs, avocado, beans, or sweet toppings. Thanks for cooking arepas de queso colombianas with me, Kike. See you next time. Ciao!
Thank you, Alex. We hope to see you soon. That's all, dreamers. Thank you for watching this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. We truly appreciate your likes and comments. And please, above all, do never stop dreaming.